Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on Windows 11 without Trusted Platform Module 2.0. Windows 11 usually requires TPM 2.0 for installation and enhanced security. Valorant, with its Vanguard anti-cheat, also relies on these system security features. Many players find their older, yet capable, computers are blocked due to this specific hardware requirement. We'll explore a method to bypass this, allowing you to enjoy the game. To achieve this, the core strategy involves preparing your Windows 11 installation media in a special way. You'll essentially create a modified installer that overlooks the Trusted Platform Module 2.0 requirement during the operating system setup. This clever workaround ensures that your system can run Windows 11 and subsequently Valorant, even if your motherboard lacks the specific TPM chip. It's a common technique for users with slightly older, but still powerful machines. Let's go over the general steps. Begin by downloading the official Windows 11 ISO file directly from Microsoft. Then, you'll need a utility such as Rufus to create a bootable USB drive. The crucial part is selecting the option within Rufus to bypass the Trusted Platform Module 2.0 and secure boot checks. Once your USB is ready, simply boot your computer from it and follow the standard Windows 11 installation prompts. Before proceeding, it's vital to consider a few points. Bypassing Trusted Platform Module 2.0 might affect some advanced security features within Windows 11. There's also a slight chance that future Windows updates could potentially reintroduce the requirement. While generally safe, Riot Games' Vanguard anti-cheat could, in rare cases, flag unsupported configurations. Always ensure you have a complete backup of your important data before making any significant system changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.